just identify yourself, please, your name and your position.
I'm Acting Superintendent Barrington Marshall from the York Park Fire Station.
Right, can you just tell me what is happening here?
At present, we have received a call of building and fire Pearnel Charles Arcade. We responded with 2 units. When we got here, we realized that the magnitude of the fire require a number of units. So additional units were brought in and we have attacked the fire. We have not yet found the seat of the fire. So firefighting operation still continues as we speak.
Of course, it's early days to say the estimate of the fire, cause of the fire.
We have not yet determined an estimate at this time.
Where was the fire contained to?
Just numerous stalls within the building. And the fire is contained and we have not yet found the seat of the fire. So we are still fighting the fire at this present time.
Ready again, let's identify yourself.
Robert Hill, CEO, KCMC. I was alerted by the Superintendent of Fire for the parish of Kingston and St. Andrew, Jamaica Fire Brigade, that there was a fire here at the Pearnel Charles Arcade. The call came in at 1:18 p.m. today, Sunday, March 30th. So we're on scene now. I am joined by the Vice Chairman of the Commercial Services Committee of the KCMC, Councillor Sarah Marshall. I'm also joined by the City Inspector and members of the City Inspectorate team.
All right, just tell me what you heard happen or what you observed.
Unfortunately, the Pearnel Charles Arcade again has been impacted by a fire. Months after one occurred, late November. So, unfortunately, another fire occurred here at the Pearnel Charles Arcade. Just months after one occurred here in late 2024. This is confined to another section of the arcade where some stalls were on fire. I believe that about 4 units from the fire brigade have attended with several members of the fire brigade who have put the fire under control, and they're now doing cooling down operations as well as assessing initial damage. We can see amongst and around us that there are several stall holders, vendors that are here clearing out their areas. And we are joined by the police, supported by the JCF. So things are basically under control. People are observing, people are moving. And there's a bit of chaos, as you would expect, as fires characteristically are. But it is quite unfortunate.
What is the move for KCSC to assist with the fire? I know it's early days yet, but KCSC will be doing to
Again, we have a standard operating procedure. We are going to await the outcome of the fire investigation, the initial outcome. We're going to have a meeting led by His Worship the Mayor, the heads of the Commercial Services Unit, along with my administrative team. With the members of the arcade, they already have a structure in place with a president and an executive and so on. So we'll be meeting with them to conduct a walkthrough and an assessment. Again, I'd like to reiterate that our insurance coverage does not cover contents, but rather the structure and the building. So those things will have to be discussed as well.
All right, and finally, you don't know how many persons were affected by this?
I am not yet sure. I'm not yet sure.